Good day, Ms. Marlene Andali. I am Charity De La Paz, front office associate.
Hi, good morning.
Ma'am, can we have a minute to talk about the membership club?
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Alright, ma'am. According to our hotel database, we have been staying in our hotel at least twice a month and availing our products and services frequently. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yeah.
In that case, ma'am, I would like to ask you if you want to avail our club membership.
Can you explain the benefit of the membership of the hotel?
Sure, ma'am. The hotel membership costs 15,900 pesos, includes 10% to 15% discount on our hotel rooms and 10% on our selected products and services like restaurant dining, booking hotel, booking event on our function hall and meetings. We usage also, ma'am, of our swimming pool, recreational areas like badminton, table tennis, basketball, and fitness gym every week and week. Aside from that, ma'am, your family members can use your membership card for your extended family. They may also enjoy and experience the promos and discounts if they avail at least 2 deluxe room and suite room, ma'am. Are you interested about the membership club, ma'am?
Okay, I will avail.
We can offer you 50% down payment and the remaining balance can be paid 1 month after the membership fee.
Okay. Here's my...
Thank you, ma'am. I received your down payment. Give me a moment, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Kindly fill out this form for me and affix your signature at the lower right side of the form, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Alright, ma'am. You've already completed the form and meet the necessary requirements. Here is your club membership card, ma'am. At the back of your card, it indicates your name, number, the expiration of your card, and your signature, ma'am. Please present this every time you come in our hotel to avail our products and services. It was such an honor to give you a high quality services. If you need anything, ma'am, don't hesitate to call us, ma'am. Have a nice day.